Engineered for productivity, Brother's latest technology is infused into the HL L2390DW. Equipped with a flatbed scan glass for convenient copying, this monochrome laser printer is engineered to scan directly from mobile devices. Print more, weight less. Developed to optimize efficiency, this replacement for the HL2520DW produces a robust and class-leading print speed of up to 32 pages per minute. New, user-friendly features. This new Brother monochrome laser printer includes a 250-sheet paper capacity, which helps improve office efficiency with less refills. The HL L2390DW also handles legal and letter-sized paper. Flexible printing. Print envelopes, cardstock, and multiple-sized paper through the easy-to-access manual feed slot, allowing you to create professional-looking documents with high resolution. Wireless printing exceptional support. The easy-to-link wireless technology allows you to submit print jobs from your laptop, smartphone, desktop, and tablets. We provide free online, call, or live chat support for the life of your printer. At Brother, we want to ensure that your experience with us is exceptional. Amazon-replenishment enabled. Upon activation, Amazon-replenishment measures the toner level and orders more from Amazon when it's low. Top reviews from the United States. Good experience here. I saw some people had problems with Wi-Fi in this printer. Wi-Fi issues do not necessarily mean it's the printer's fault. My Wi-Fi is stable and I set the Wi-Fi type to DHCP, so that if for whatever reason it drops Wi-Fi that the printer will pick up an IP again. Others have stated that the printer goes into a deep sleep and they can't wake it. On the Brother website it states that the printer will do just that if it loses Wi-Fi connection and can't reconnect. I've had no problems with sleep issues and I reiterate my Wi-Fi is stable and the signal strength is sufficient. In my opinion, for the price, you can't go wrong with this printer.